Hi guys, welcome to another demo from Brenzo Gears and Gadgets. This one is a Leatherman rebar, all stainless, made in USA, 17-in-1 tool. Comes with this leather sheet. The pliers is heavy duty compared to other Leatherman models as it has a reinforcement here. Needle nose pliers, regular pliers, premium hardwire cutters. This one, hardwire cutters. This one is wire cutters. Can be replaced and purchased separately. Serrated knife. Bottle opener with a wire stripper. Phillips screwdriver. And a saw. Knife. This one is an awl. You can use this if you want to create a hole, just like a drill. Small and large flat screwdrivers. It has a lanyard attachment here, that part. This is a file for wood and metal. You can also use the rebar if you want to crimp wire. You attach the wire there, that part. Attach the wire, then press to crimp. Okay? Leatherman rebar. From Brenzo Gears and Gadgets Facebook page 0917 634 5916. Thank you.